Hello bearded bee people, welcome back to B&K Bees. Today is Monday, Labor Day, and we are out doing our pre-winter inspections. And that means a lot of lifting up of the back of hives to try to figure out exactly where they're at in terms of weight and overall food. And then also kind of condensing some that weren't filling out the entire cavity of their hive. And then the unfortunate aspect is some of them need to be combined because we practice and preach the take your losses in the fall mindset. So if there's any duds or anything that I don't feel super strong about going into winter, then I won't waste any resources on them trying to get them built up. I'll just combine them with another hive that has a better chance. So here's Katie kind of combining a couple, shaking some bees off of some blank frames. They were just kind of filling out the right side of both of these boxes, and so it'll work out pretty well to fit them into one. So the other idea, of course, is lifting up the backs of the hives, try to figure out exactly, like I said, where they're at in terms of weight, and figure out on a yard by yard basis what I'm going to do in terms of feeding. This yard, the majority of the hives are heavy enough right now, so that's great. And that means that I'll probably end up spot feeding, doing the Hillbilly hive top feeder on specific hives, as opposed to coming out with open feeder and feeding everything, because the more populated hives are the ones that end up getting that open feed, and most often the more populated hives are the heavier hives, and so therefore, kind of by the definition of it, not the ones that need it. So I'll probably be out here in a week or 10 days to put some Hillbilly hive top feeders on top. The reason that it won't be, tomorrow or the next day is because that goldenrod is blooming hard right now. So what feels light right now might not feel light in 10 days. So that's my mindset, and that's where I'm at. I haven't made a video in about 10 days or 2 weeks, and that's largely because we put our treatments on in August or mid-August, and we're just kind of letting that take effect and letting the fall flow influence these bees and their overall weight going into winter. So less kind of messing around by me means more honey put up and less feeding I have to do throughout the month of September. So thanks for watching. Get out there and have some fun with your bees. See ya.